Megan. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I edit my Instagram pictures. So many of you guys have requested this video, so I figured it was time to sit down and film it. You guys have been requesting this since February, and I still have not filmed it for you guys, so sorry for the wait. Before we get started, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. No, in the whole YouTube community, 10,000 isn't that huge of a number. When I think about 10,000 people watching my videos and supporting my channel, I can't even believe it. So thank you guys so much for that. We also hit it while I was at Disney watching the fireworks, and it was just magical. So thank you guys, I love you so much. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get on into the video.
Everybody get up.
Okay guys, so now on to how I actually edit my Instagram pictures. I edit using Lightroom, so on my computer. I used to use VSCO on my phone, but I think back in October I decided to switch over to Lightroom just to kind of step up my game. So I start off by importing the pictures that I want to use into my library. I'm just going to show you guys how I edited these 4 pictures today. So I will go ahead and import those, and then I go over to my develop tab. When you're in develop, you have control over every little thing in the picture. So I go ahead and do that, and then I will scroll over to my preset. So I either will use Aspen Obart's presets, Jacey Marie's presets, or Allison Chapper's presets. I love all 3 of their preset packs, so I kind of just go depending on the lighting in the picture and the vibe that I'm going for. For this one, I decided to use one of Aspen's. I'm not 100% sure which one I actually used when I first edited this picture. I think I either used Beachy or City, and I'm leaning more towards Beachy, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that one on here. And then I go in and start to kind of customize the preset to make it match my picture better, match my feed better, and make it just more my own. So I start off by turning the temperature up and the tones up. I like warmer pictures and more pinky tone pictures, so by turning those both up, I get that. And then I also adjust the exposure, the contrast, the saturation, all of that stuff, just depending on the lighting and the coloring in the original picture. And then I'll go down to the colors tab and actually turn the saturation of oranges down, just because both JC and Aspen presets tend to make my skin look a little bit too orange. So I'll turn the saturation of oranges down, and then I'll go into luminance, and I'll actually turn the luminance down on oranges also to make my skin tone look a little bit more natural. So then I went back into the saturation tab, and I turn the reds down, and then I turn the yellows up. Normally I actually turn my yellows down just because my hair is blonde and I don't want it to look too yellow, but because I wanted the lemons to pop, I actually just went ahead and I turned them up for this picture. And then from there I go to lens correction, and then I just click Canon, and then I select the lens that's close to the one that I used for the picture, and then I will just adjust the distortion and the vignette. Normally I turn the vignette all the way up just because I like how bright it makes my pictures look, but the distortion definitely depends on each picture. And then I will go down to grain and adjust the grain. I kind of like adding a little bit of grain and roughness just because it makes the picture look a little bit more distressed, and I kind of like that look. But then once I've done that, I'm pretty much done editing the picture. So here are the before and afters. I'm absolutely obsessed with the edit on this picture. We took it from a super cool toned, kind of dull, boring picture, and we just made it more warm and vibrant and just fun to look at. So yeah, I love this edit. I'm low-key obsessed with it. I just think it turned out so nice. But now I'm gonna show you guys some more presets and the before and after of those. So this one is Aspen Obart's Dreamy preset. It's a picture of me and Megan, super cute. And then this next one is a picture of me in Barcelona using one of JC's presets. And then this next one is another shot of me in Barcelona using a different one of JC's presets. But I actually am obsessed with both of their preset packs. You can really just pick and choose which preset you want to use from the pack and then adjust it based on the picture that you're editing. So yeah, I love these, and that is how I edit my Instagram pictures. Okay guys, so that is all for my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and follow me on all of my other social medias. I'll have them listed down below if you guys want to go check me out on those. And yeah, I think that's everything. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you all super soon with another new video. Bye!